Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so that last test I didn't think went as well as I would have liked, but I'm going to put the microphone in a different place for my playing, and I'm going to work through page 24 of Standard of Excellence, Book 1, starting with 99, warm-up. Key of B flat, B's and E's are flat, the C is there for common time, and lots of slurs, natural slurs from F's to B flats. And also natural slurs from D's to B flats. And all the others are going to be using the do, do, do tonguing. And here we go. Also forgot to mention the natural slur from the C to the B flat at the end of the third measure into the fourth. And in the pocket, we are in the key of F here, so our E's are going to be in second position. And then on the pocket change, which is very similar, but the E's are flat. So listen closely for that second position, E natural in 100, and that third position, E flat in pocket change. And pocket change. Now for strictly business, we are in the key of E flat, so B's, E's, and A's are flat. But watch out for your chromatic notes in your A's and A flats that you have through here. And on to 103, Smooth Sailing, key of E flat, just like the previous song. This song is all diatonic though, so no chromatic notes in there. All right, and now Roses. And now Roses from the South. This is by Strauss. We're in 3/4. It's very chromatic, but there's nothing in the key signature, but technically it's in the key of A flat. They did not put that in there because we have not talked about D flats much yet, even though the song does not have those. Right, now we're down to 105, theme from Hansel and Gretel, key of E flat. And this is in an AABA form, meaning that we play the first part of the song once and then play it a second time. Then we go to the next part, the B part, and play through that. And then we have a DC L fine, meaning DC to capo, go back to the beginning, then fine, meaning that's the end. And when you go through the last time, you do not repeat. You only repeat the first time. B part. And the last song on the page is for Trombones Only, where they're introducing the F sharp in 5th position. And this song is mostly in the key of D. So we have the F sharps in it, which is the 3rd note of the key of D. C sharp, which would be the 7th note, is not in the song. Alright, also keep in mind, and for trombones only, the E's are going to be E naturals. Alright, thanks for watching. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.